Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by capturing the environment deliberately. Get an H-dry or a high dynamic range render from your scene so reflections have real lighting data. Once done, prepare the mesh by checking UVs and normals and create a square render target sized 512 to 4096 depending on quality needs. Now render 6 cube faces at 90 degrees FOV, 1 per axis. This gives you the raw cubemap. Make sure faces align and store them as float textures so you retain highlights for later processing. Once you have the raw cubemap, process it to support material roughness. Generate a prefiltered specular MIP chain by convolving the cubemap for increasing roughness levels. This creates blurred versions you'll sample by roughness. At the same time, compute an irradiance map for diffuse ambient lighting. If your engine prefers equirectangular, convert carefully, otherwise keep the cubemap format and ensure all MIP levels are stored. This step is crucial because it encodes how sharp or blurry reflections become with surface roughness. You now integrate the reflection map into your shader. Sample the prefiltered specular MIP according to the material roughness value and apply the BRDF with Fresnel. Combine with the irradiance for diffuse. Test with metallic and roughness variations. Look for seams or orientation errors and inspect highlight energy. If reflections look banded or clipped, increase texture bit depth to 16 or 32 float, fix cubemap seam filtering, and recompute MIP convolution. That single troubleshooting tip often resolves the majority of art.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.